Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Go Bananas push wall. Before starting, I swept and mopped the floor. For the wall, I used a Clorox wipe to make sure it was clean. I'll start by cutting apart some of my images. After positioning my logs, I'll remove the backing and carefully place it onto the floor. I'm using a wave motion with my squeegee to ensure a smooth application. Tape a portion of the trunk to the wall. Next, slowly lift up the trunk and press it onto the wall to anchor it into place. Because I have an outlet in the middle of my wall, I'll adjust and place my tree to the side. I like to place the vowels first, then position the remaining letters. The layout is really up to you. Pro tip: if you're installing on a brick wall, use a hairdryer and squeegee after placing the images. The heat helps the adhesive conform to the texture, ensuring a stronger bond. And that's it. Thanks for watching.